Hi, this is Dave at US Appliance. I got 3 Magic Chef refrigerators I want to talk to you about. This one right here, these are scratch and dents. Nice, fresh, nice, clean inside. You got your drink compartments here, shelving, vegetable compartment here, nice shelving, controls right here. Right here, the freezer compartment. As you can see, it only costs $41 a year to run this unit. You need ice trays? We got an ice tray for you. Right here, the shelvings right here for your orange juice, etc. And for the man with the small budget, we got something for him too. This stainless steel black Magic Chef here, this one only costs $29 a year to run. Got glass shelves, little freezer compartment there. Take a look at that. Come on in to US Appliances at 138 South State Street, Hemet, California, or give us a call at 951-765-0010. I'll see you when you get here.